Doctor, is your car. I'm just trying to stabilize the electronic. Where is the ignition? On. This side is working. The steering angle sensor. You see it's operating. Okay, okay. Close the door, small Yusuf. Okay. Press OK. Okay. You see it's changing the screen. I'm touching. It's changing everything. It was this one. We'll put another one. Okay. So small as I say, we need to stabilize the electronic. Now start removing the engine. I want to stabilize these things. Anyway, I will keep updating you. Thanks. And by the way, this is your car. This is your car. Okay.